Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable the eye comfort feature on any Android phone. This feature helps reduce eye strain, especially when using your phone at night. First, unlock your phone and go to the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Display. In this menu, you'll find different options related to your screen. Look for one of the following options depending on your device. Eye comfort, night light, or reading mode. Tap on the option and switch it on. And that's it. Eye comfort is now enabled on your Android phone. This simple feature can help protect your eyes and improve sleep quality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.